Hey, how's everybody doing? OJ from Fluid MotorUnion here, and today we're working on this Ferrari FF, building one of our specialized exhausts to really bring out that F1 V12 sound. Now, since we're in the middle of it, we've got the exhaust down, and I thought everyone at home would like to hear what these things sound like when they're open header. Now, things are going to get a little hot, so I'm going to spray everything down with some water just to make sure nothing catches on fire. And you can hear what these things sound like with no mufflers, no exhaust system. Let's check it out.